what are foundation LLMs? This is one of the questions you may have when you are starting to study about LLM application development, etc. So just very quickly, remember that LLMs are huge projects. And if you want to train an LLM like ChatGPT, you need to give this model a huge ton of data, right? So ChatGPT has been trained with a text equivalent to 10 million books. Think that the typical person reads 700 books in their lifetime. So this is huge. And we, in order to give this amount of data to one LLM model, we have to use a very advanced methodology and a very advanced computer. So we use deep learning and neural networks for that, transformers, and we also use what is called GPUs, graphic processing units, in order to have super powerful computers. This is something that is out of the reach of the normal person or normal company. This is something only huge companies like Facebook, Google, Apple, OpenAI can do. So remember that these big language models, these large language models, are called foundation language models, because when we develop LLM applications, we use these foundation LLMs as the engine of our application. Okay, so think of the LLM application like a car, and think of the foundation LLM as the combustion engine the car uses. Okay, so you have different kinds of foundation LLMs. All of them have been trained with huge amount of data. They say we have been trained with all the data from the internet. It's not exactly like that, but almost. And you need to know that you have some foundation LLMs that are private and you need to pay for them, and you have some open source models. They both have advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to know when to use one or the other. To train a foundation LLM or an LLM is super expensive. To train, for example, ChatGPT-4 costs more than $100 million. So just forget about it, right? Just remember, LLM applications are built on top of foundation LLMs. We don't build foundation LLMs, we build applications on top of them. Okay, so remember, the foundation LLM is like the combustion engine, and the LLM application is like the car we build using the combustion engine.